Hello friends, and this is Ajay. Now I will explain the topic time and distance. In this video I will explain the problems on trains. These are the 5 questions that I will discuss in this tutorial. If you are able to solve these questions in 5 minutes, then you can skip this tutorial. And coming to the first question, a train crosses a pole in 12 seconds. It crosses a bridge of length 300 meters in 27 seconds. Then what is the time taken by the train to cross a bridge of length 600 meters? We know that to cross a pole, a train has to travel a distance equal to length of the train, and to cross a bridge, a train has to travel a distance equal to length of the train plus length of the bridge. To cross a pole, a train has to travel a distance equal to length of the train. So it crosses a bridge of length 300 meters in 27 seconds. That is, to travel the length of the train it takes 12 seconds, and to crosses the 300 meters bridge it takes 15 seconds, and total 27 seconds. So in the same way, to cross a bridge of length 600 meters it takes how much time? That we need to find out. So L plus 600. To travel the length of the train it takes 12 seconds, and to travel the 600 meters, that we need to find out. So for 300 meters it is 15 seconds, for 600 it is 30 seconds. So 12 plus 30 is equal to 42. Therefore time taken by the train to cross a bridge of length 600 meters is 42 seconds. And coming to the second question, a train crosses a bridge of length 122 meters in 17 seconds. It crossed another bridge of length 210 meters in 25 seconds. Find the length of the train. This question is similar to the previous question. Here we need to find the length of the train. So we need to find out the time taken to cross the length of the train. And L plus 122 is equal to x and 17 minus x. And similarly L plus 210 for L is equal to x and 210 is 25 minus x. So from these two equations we can find out the x. In 8 seconds it will travel 88 meters. So if we find out the for 17 seconds it is 187 meters. Therefore length of the train is 187 meters minus 122, that is length of the bridge, which gives 65 meters. Therefore length of the train is 65 meters. And coming to the third question, a train traveling at a speed of 54 km per hour crosses a platform in 36 seconds, and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. So find the length of the platform. Here they have given the time taken to travel the distance of length of the train, that is in 20 seconds. So now we need to find out the time taken to cross the platform in 36 seconds. That is, for L it will take 20 seconds, and for x, that is length of the platform, we need to find out. So length of the platform is 15 meters per second into 16 seconds, which gives 240 meters. Therefore length of the platform is 240 meters. And relative speed, it is the speed of the body with respect to another body. If two bodies A and B are traveling at speeds x and y respectively, then in opposite direction speed of A with respect to B is x plus y, and in same direction speed of A with respect to B is x minus y. If two trains of length L1 and L2 are traveling at a speed of S1 and S2 respectively, in opposite direction time taken by two trains to cross each other is L1 plus L2 by S1 plus S2. In same direction time taken by two trains to cross each other is L1 plus L2 by S1 minus S2. If S1 is greater, S1 minus S2, or else S2 minus S1. So coming to the fourth question, a train of length 240 meters traveling at a speed of 64 km per hour overtakes a man running at a speed of 10 km per hour in how many seconds? So from the question we got that train and man are running in the same direction. So if two bodies are running in same direction, then the speed of A with respect to B is x minus y kilometers per second. So if we find out the relative speed, 64 minus 10, which gives 15 meters per second. So time taken by the train is total length of the train by speed, which gives 16 seconds. Therefore time taken by the train is 16 seconds. And coming to the fifth question, a train starts from a station X at 6 am and reaches another station Y at 10 am. And another train starts from station Y at 8 am and reaches station X at 11:30 am. At what time do the trains cross each other? So in the first case, the train has to travel from X to Y. So total time taken is 4 hours. And in the second case, total time taken is 3.5 hours. Therefore the ratio of T1 and T2 is 8:7. We know that if distance is constant, then time and speeds are inversely proportional. So the ratio of their speeds is 7:8. And let us assume distance is equal to time into speed, that is 8 into 7, which gives 56 kilometers. So now if you find out the speeds of their respective trains, that is S1 is equal to 56 kilometers by total time taken, that is 4 hours, which gives 14 kilometers per hour. And similarly for second train, speed is equal to 16 kilometers per hour. So relative speed is equal to 30 kilometers per hour, as they are traveling in opposite direction. In the case 1, total time taken by the train is 4 hours. So after 2 hours it will travel half of the journey. That is, by 8 am the first train reaches half of the distance and second train has to start. Both trains will cross each other in the second half of the journey of the first train. That is, relative speed is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. So for 30 kilometers it will travel 1 hour, and here the remaining distance is 28 kilometers. So for 28 kilometers we need to find out how much time it will take, that is 56 minutes. So in the second half journey of the first train, after 56 minutes the trains will cross each other, that is at 8:56 am. So trains will cross each other at 8:56 am. And this is the answer for this question. Thank you.